Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to transfer apps to SD card on this device. So to do that, you just should open the settings application, then scroll down to the battery and device care section. Here tap to the storage, and here just you should click these three dots, the more icon, and tap to the advanced options. Here we got the CD card and our device applications, photos, music, and files. And just to transfer one from the applications, tap for example here. And by the way, you can transfer only the downloaded from the Play Store, from the internet application. You can't transfer to CD cards the default applications. For example, like the messages, you can't just transfer this app and as the calculator and the other default applications. And for example, we got the Canva that's downloaded from the internet, from the Play Store app. So just you should tap there to this app, and here you'll see the change. I can just tap there and change your internal shared storage to the CD card, and just tap here to move. Wait a couple of seconds, and as can you see, as a result, we just transfer our application to the Play Store. I'll just repeat the action to show you once again how you can do that. Just here tap once on this more icon to go to the advanced options, and for example select the one from the downloaded from the internet application. Okay, what's this? Canva. We'll just check the Canva. As can you see here, we got our Canva on our CD card. So here we get the dictionary. That's also the default apps. Okay, this app, yeah. So now just you should tap here to change, and just to transfer the app to CD card, switch it and tap here to move. And if you wanna just wait a couple of seconds. And as can you see, that's really simple. And if you wanna just to turn back your application from the CD card to your device, so you should go by the same way into the set advanced options, and here tap to the other apps, and for example we just move this application to our CD, so by the same way tap here to change, and change the CD card to the internal storage. Tap here to move, and again wait a couple of seconds by this way. So that's really easy, as can you see. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.